Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, ratio Epoch2 is now live. They made this tweet now. You can actually see that 6 minutes ago. So guys, they see Epoch2 is now live. Join now. So I'll be leaving this link on this video description. If you have not been farming ratio now, click on this link on this video description now and start farming. Do you understand? So if you have been farming, you go to your account and activate. So I'm going to go to my account and show you how to do that, and you're actually going to earn point now. So let me show you how it works. So if you have been farming now, make sure that you see this video to the end. So if you have not been farming, you can actually farm Epoch2. So I'm going to go to my account now where I connected my Twitter with their I'm going to go to their website where I linked my tweet my X account, so let me just show you. So if you have been farming, you know that the first how you have to do is to tweet and retweet and then check, then you start commenting. I'll show you how to do that. So if you have not been farming, all we have to do now is to click on tweet. You understand about Epoch2 being live? So let's just click on the tweet. Do you understand? So make sure that you see this video to the end. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that others can also benefit from it. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime, so stay tuned. So this is the tweet I'm going to make. Do you understand? What's happened? So here is the tweet. I'm going to post it now. I was just able to claim 50k points for Ether ratio Epoch2. Try to ratio me. So I'm going to post it now. You understand? So stay tuned guys. So guys, after making that tweet now, I'm going to click on retweet. Do you understand? So I'm going to retweet now. So make sure that you see this video to the end. Please share this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, join the channel. I'll be leaving the link on this video description. Do you understand? So I'm going to retweet this now. You see that ratio November 6th, launch date. Do you see that? So we'll click on repost this. So we just repost. Do you see that? So we go back to our account now. So since we have made the tweet and made the retweet, we'll click on check now and let's see. So we'll give it time. Let's see what it brings up. Please share this video so that others can also benefit from it. It says you have been added to the queue if you have completed the requirement, then your account. So let's just give it some minutes. You understand? So guys, let me try it again. It said please wait 78 seconds before pressing this button again. So let's just give it some seconds. You see that? So guys, I'm going to click it again now. So is it 18 seconds? Okay, let's just give it a little time. So guys, I'm going to click on check again. It says our system has not been able to check your requirement. Wait. So I'm going to wait for some minutes again. I understand this. 109 seconds. So guys, when you click that check here, it might be popping up our system has not blah 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 blah. That thing that is actually popping up. So this one now actually stress me. You need to give it time. You understand? I had to go to their page and I actually made a comment about the check button not responding. So after some minutes, like I had to check it again, click on check again. So long as you have actually made that tweet and you have retweeted, just don't worry. Just when you click on that check and it's not responding, just give it time and then come back. You understand? Then when you click it, it will definitely show this dashboard now. So guys, this is Epoch2 and let me show you how to farm. And if you are farming, just take it slightly, like don't rush it. Don't, like, when you farm, just be making 2-3 tweets and then you be commenting, then mix it with other tweets and like engage on other, sorry about that, engage on other tweet that is not about ratio, so that you not ban they will not ban your account. Do you understand? Remember that if you have not claimed Epoch1, if you farmed Epoch1, you have not claimed Epoch1. So if you lose your account, that means you will not be able to claim that Epoch1. So better still, as you have actually claimed, if once you claim this point now, just be commenting, like, just don't feed your don't like don't feed your timeline, your Twitter wall with ratio post. Do you understand? Just when you make a tweet about ratio, you give it time, you actually engage on other tweets, so that they will not ban you. Because if you keep making tweet about ratio and commenting ratio, like Twitter, the bots will ban you, and they would see like Elon Musk is going to ban you, and not be as if you are a bot. Do you understand? So let me show you how to farm for those that are actually joining Epoch2, they have not been farming. Do you understand? Let me show you. So this is ratio, their account, their Twitter account. Do you understand? So if you are farming, take it easy. Don't as in let your give like engage on other tweets. So here is it. This tweet they made now. Epoch2 is like, if you come under this place now, you just see, guys. This is how to farm. Just comment ratio with capital letter. Do you understand? You can actually see how these ones are actually putting it. Let me know how many legends that we take enough points from here. Make sure you comment ratio. Do you see how it was creative? He made like he actually wrote some stuff before adding ratio. Like, you can actually see this one, amazing ratio. You can actually choose your own pattern of making it farming ratio, so that they will not ban you. This one actually made ratio, and then he said pecan, so screenshot this. That one is just like a normal screenshot. Let me show you, these are other ones. This is how to farm it. Do you understand? I don't know why my network is actually like disturbing this night. So here is it. You can see this very one, say giga bullish. Just be making this one, and this is how to farm it, just on capital letter ratio with dollar sign. Do you understand? So this is how to farm ratio for those that are actually joining Epoch2. So if you are farming ratio, take it easy, so that they will not take down your S account. And if you farm Epoch1, take it easy. Do you understand? So guys, that'll be all for now. They will be launching tomorrow. You can actually see that launch date November 6th, which is tomorrow now, if I'm not mistaken. Do you understand? So guys, that'll be all for now. If there is any other thing now, I'm actually going to notify you guys. So that'll be all for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.